So this is a quick end-to-end tutorial about the setup new customer within ArrowSphere and also create the new tenant. So we create a new tenant and fill out some necessary information. Once we've done that, so the tenant we create is ArrowSphere's demo. And we order a year subscription. So check out. So this is a way to enable us to set up a new tenant. Once we've done that, we need to place the order. And from the customer services, we will see the order being fulfilled. We go to the show action. We can grab the credential via the admin credential button. We click that. We saw this is a detail for the login. So we need to change the password, reset it, and we log into the portal. So from the admin portal, we can see the setting and the brand new domain name, which is the default domain. Okay. Now we need to order the license. We pick up the E5 trail. So we check out and we do some paperwork. So for this case, we turn off the auto renew because it's a trail license. We don't want it to convert to the NCE. Okay. Now we can see it's done and we assign the license to the user. You can see it's fulfilled, and also we can see some history and the logs, what exactly happened during the ordering. So you'll see the ArrowSphere is very convenient platform. And also we need to order the Arrow Cloud Backup for M365. Okay, so we do checkout, confirm the end user license agreement, place order. Once it's done, it will show as fulfilled. And here we can see we have the E5 license and the backup license as well. And also at the beginning, we have the Air plan. You can see it's month to month free trial license. We also can see the history for the provisioning. Well, we see the email from the M365 backups. It provides us the URL to log in the portal. So reverted 365. We log in. You need to use your email address. And once we log in, they have some work need to be done at the backend. So ArrowSphere's demo tenant, we choose that tenant. We need to set up the tenant and choose the data center. So the backend is IBM Cloud. So we choose Australia, Sydney, and what the scope you want to back up. So by default, you choose 3 of them. Okay, so we need to continue. And here we can see they have some link and one-time code. We need to log into the portal and provide the code. So at the backend, it will create some enterprise app as the entry ID, the former AAD. We can see the ACB 365 application. It's done. So here's quick glance for the dashboard, logs, and user setup, and you also have the access to the knowledge base. And we want to create the backup task because we ordered the 1 year retention period trail license. So we can only choose 1 year as a retention period. We choose entire tenant and some filter for us to set up. Okay. So the self-restore portal, we will have a quick overview because we don't have a backup yet. So this is just for us to have a look. But once we're done, we will see the history and what exactly going on. This is the successful backup report. Thanks for watching.